Holy Immortal,
have mercy on us
have mercy on us
and on the whole world.
and on the whole world.
Holy God,
Holy God,
Holy Omnipotent,
Holy Omnipotent,
Holy Immortal,
Holy Immortal,
have mercy on us
have mercy on us
and on the whole world.
and on the whole world.
Holy God,
Holy God,
Holy Omnipotent,
Holy Omnipotent,
Holy Immortal,
Holy Immortal,
have mercy on us
have mercy on us
and on the whole world.
and on the whole world.
Providence of God,
Watch over us,
Providence of God,
watch over us,
Providence of God,
watch over us,
a guardian angel,
protect us,
Our Lady of Mount Carmel,
pray for us.
Good morning, respected Principal Sister Marin, respected teachers and dear Carmelites. This is Sunana Aheba from class 9C. Hope you are doing well during this pandemic. On the special occasion of International World's Population Day, I am here to present the thought of the day. World is like a big family and the onus of saving it from growing population lies on each one of us. So let us come together and fight against the biggest cause affecting us. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
World population is increasing and increasing. Many natural resources are decreasing and decreasing. Land use for food production is also decreasing. We see everywhere population, population and population. It is increasing without any restrictions, forcing us to be more serious about population explosion. If unchecked, it doubles in 25 years, increase in geometric ratio. Alas, the human life value and the quality of living life in many parts of the world is decreasing. Poverty and hunger in many parts of the world is increasing. Let us think to solve this problem and make this world a better place to live with dignity.
Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, the world has been facing the threat and challenge of pollution, epidemic, unemployment, economic inflation and population explosion, which is the biggest of them all. To spread awareness about this problem and to combat it, the Governing Council of UN Development Programme marked July 11th to be celebrated as the World Population Day since 1989. World Population Day aims to increase the people's awareness about various issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and human rights. So my dear audience, we, the students of class 9C, are here to present a skit on the topic World Population Day.
Good morning friends, we the students of class 9C are presenting before you our class assembly on the topic World Population Day. So, today we're going to talk about what do you people are doing?
Oh, we are practicing for a skit on the topic World Population Day.
What day? It's the World Population Day. Why do we celebrate it? Okay, so let me elaborate. The current human population is accounted to be over 7 billion. And you know why? The Earth's resources are limited and exhausted. The population numbers have been ever increasing since 1 billion in 1800 to the current 7 billion and above. The advancements in technology had decreased the mortality rate and increased the life expectancy of an average human. And this, directly or indirectly, burdens and adversely impacts the resources and its usage, creating disparity, strain, and unequal distribution of assets and provisions to the big cities.
But why is it a matter of concern? Exactly. Why should we even worry about it?
No, it's not a matter of negligence. And I would like to disagree on that. Do you even know which are the 3 most populated countries in the world? They are China, India and United States of America. have you ever thought about the negative impacts of overpopulation on our environment? Well, overpopulation is a situation where a country's people are more than its resources. It has various adverse effects on our environment, like degradation of environment, depletion of natural resources, poverty, increased crime rate, and a lot more than that. Today, we are consuming our natural resources around 1.7 times faster than it can be generated, which is an alarming situation. If the population explosion is not curbed in all urgency, then a time will come where our country will destabilize with factions delving in civil war, deaths, theft, vandalism, and maybe much worse.
Oh, is it? It seems as if nothing can be done now. We still have hope, and we all can fix this for our upcoming generations, as we have certain ways by which we can prevent this increasing world population. As this problem at this stage can be solved, but later on it may have much more greater negative impacts. Overpopulation will not decline unless the number of birth rates will drop below an average of 2 per woman or per man. The further birth rates drop, the sooner the humanity will reach a truly sustainable population level. We all should encourage and educate people on this topic so that everyone can understand this problem and will try to find a solution for it. It is a vast and a complicated problem which requires a significant changes in the educational policies and social attitudes for it to be adequately controlled. If we all contribute and give our best in solving this problem, then we will surely overcome it. We have been gifted with a beautiful bird, and an honor to protect it and pass it on to the coming generation lies in our shoulders. So let us control this rising population and make it a better place to live.
Dear friends, now I understand the importance of World Population Day. All of us should try in contributing to our Mother Earth and spread awareness about the population control. Let us all take the pledge to control population, to take a stand and spread awareness about the population growth, to sustain spacious ground to walk on and fresh air to breathe, to educate friends and students to create a sustainable world to have a healthier planet, to educate peoples on issues of concern and to mobilize the use of resources to address the global problems, to ensure the essence of primary education for both girls and boys, to make this world a happier place to live in and to understand the responsibilities of oneself.